Assalamu alaikum class 3rd. Hope you're all in the best of health. Dear kids, welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to start lesson number 8 of your textbook, and the title of this lesson is Walking on the Moon. Dear students, dear kids, we are going to start the 8th lesson of your English textbook, and its title, the name of this lesson is Walking on the Moon. And today's activity will be reading of the lesson to be done. So today we are going to do the reading of this lesson number 8, Walking on the Moon. So dear students, come, let's get started. Dear kids, lesson number 8, Walking on the Moon. This is page number 63 of your English textbooks. Okay, now let's get started. Warm up. What do you want to be when you grow up? Do you want to be any of these people? Doctor, singer, teacher, astronaut. Tell the class what your dream job is. Let's read about a boy who dreamed of flying. See how far his dreams and his hard work took him. A little boy called Neil had a lovely dream. In his dream, he flew like a bird. He saw blue rivers and green fields, huge mountains and narrow valleys. The trees, the houses, the people, and the cars all looked very small from the sky. Neil Armstrong was born on August 5, 1930 in Ohio. He was the oldest of 3 children. Neil loved aeroplanes. He got his love for flying from his father. Neil and his father had gone to see some air races when he was very little. That was when the little boy decided that he all wanted to do was to fly. Flying was all he could think about in his dreams and when he was awake. When Neil was 6 years old, his father took him on a ride in a small plane for the first time. The plane could carry only about 12 people. It was a noisy, bumpy ride, but Neil loved it. As Neil grew older, he collected lots of magazines on flying. He also made many model aeroplanes. When he was 11, Neil asked his parents if he could take flying lessons for $9 an hour. His parents said yes, but he would have to work and earn the money himself. All Neil wanted to do was to learn to fly. He worked hard and made the money he needed. On his 16th birthday, he got his pilot's license. In many countries, young people are not even allowed to drive a car at 16. Neil was 19 years old when he became a pilot in the Navy. Later, he joined the Air Force and became a test pilot. He flew some of the fastest aeroplanes in the world. Soon, he was selected and trained to become an astronaut. In July 1969, Neil was chosen to lead the crew of the spaceship Apollo 11. They were going to the moon. On July 21, Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the moon. He called the first step he took a giant leap for the world. From the moon, Neil could see the tiny Earth hanging in the sky. His dream came true that day. So dear students, dear kids, this was the reading of this lesson. Now you will also do the reading 2-3 times of this lesson, and whatever underlined words are there, you will concentrate on those underlined words and you will go through the meanings of those words which are given on the respective pages of your book. So dear students, this was the reading of lesson number 8 of your book, Walking on the Moon. Inshallah, we'll go through the comprehension of this lesson in the next video, in the next class. Till then, take good care of yourselves. Fi amanillah.